Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies with a little puttering session review. So this was a woman I worked with, and she had a strategy where she would do a free 30-minute session with people and then send them a really robust and in-depth email as a follow-up. And she thought, well, this is incredibly useful, it's really generous, so folks for sure are going to sign up. But what she found was a lot of people just vanished and ghosted and never replied to her at all, which was so painful for her because she'd invested so much. And I said, here's what I think is happening, is you're overgiving. It's actually overwhelming and people feel guilty. They feel like, oh my God, she's given me so much and now I owe her and I'm on the hook for something. And even though I don't think this woman thought that at all, didn't feel that, they were feeling it. And so the way of dealing with the pressure that they were imagining was to vanish. And one of the packages she had was a series of 6. And I said, here's what you do. You do the 30 minutes free, and there's lots of thoughts. By the way, if you want to know how to do free sessions in a way that gets clients, check out Caroline Leon, Leon, colleague of mine who's got some brilliant thoughts about how to use free sessions and the ins and outs of that in a way that will actually get you paid clients. But so once you do that 30-minute session, you don't send a follow-up email. But you might say, hey, if you'd like to work together, let me know and we can set up a time. Anyways, check out Caroline's work. She's got more thoughts on this. And then you send the in-depth email after the first coaching session that they pay for. That's when the generosity goes. It's something that I think a lot of us probably need to work more on, is save the generosity for some of the paying clients. You can be generous in a one-to-many way. You can offer a lot of free resources that don't take any of your time. Ebooks, videos, PDFs, online courses. You can audio recordings and podcasts. You can share generously in that way with the people who haven't paid. But in terms of your personal time, be real stingy. This is for the people who've paid. Now, paid could include scholarships. Paid could include pay what you can. But if we give all of your time to everybody, whether they pay or not, you only have so much time. And she got really excited about that, realizing, oh, yeah, that email would be better received because they've already paid, so there's not going to be this weird reciprocation thing where they feel like they owe me. And it's going to save her a bunch of time in sending out these emails that don't even get appreciated, not even a thank you, no response when she follows up. And save her a lot of emotional pain and hurt too. So there you go, simple strategy. I'll see if I can remember to put Caroline's info below, and she's got some really good thoughts again, and I think a blog post or two about this free session thing. So there you are. Hopefully you're doing well. Take care, everybody. Hit the red button and then the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos come up. You can check me out at marketingforhippies.com anytime. And if you're interested in paying money for me, I've got this membership you can check out always, of course, marketingforhippies.com/membership. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. I do read them all. Thank you.